Welcome to Explore World YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about the world's smallest 10 birds. 1. Bee hummingbird length, about 5.5 centimeters, 2.2 inches, weight 1.6 to 2 grams, wingspan approximate 6.6 centimeters, habitat, forest edges, gardens and shrubs, location, endemic to Cuba, diet, nectar, tiny insects and spiders, color, males have iridescent red throats, females are greenish. Flight speed, very fast wing beat, up to 80 beats per second. Nesting, tiny cup-shaped nests made of cobwebs. Interesting fact, it's the smallest bird in the world. 2. Vervain hummingbird, length around 6 centimeters, 2.4 inches. Weight, about 2 grams, wingspan, approximate 7.5 centimeters. Habitat, open woodlands and gardens. Location, Jamaica and Hispaniola. Diet, nectar and small insects. Color, greenish upper parts. Males may have a purplish throat. Behavior, very agile flyers, nesting, very small nests in shrubs. Interesting fact, it's the second smallest bird globally. 3. Esmeralda's wood star. Length, around 6.3 centimeters. Weight, approximately 2.4 grams. Wingspan, around 8 centimeters. Habitat, humid tropical forests. Location, western Ecuador. Diet, flower nectar. Color, male has a glittering violet throat. Status, endangered nesting, unknown, very rare to observe. Interesting fact, it was rediscovered after being thought extinct. 4. Calliope hummingbird length, 7 to 8 centimeters, 2.8 to 3.1 inches. Weight, 2.5 grams. Wingspan, approximately 11 centimeters. Habitat, mountains and meadows. Location, western USA and Canada. Diet, nectar and insects. Color, male has magenta streaks on throat. Migration, long-distance migrant to Mexico. Nesting, often nests in conifer branches. Interesting fact, it's the smallest bird in North America. 5. Black-breasted puffleg. Length, around 8 centimeters. Weight, about 3 grams. Wingspan, approximately 10 centimeters. Habitat, cloud forests. Location, Ecuador, Andes Mountains. Diet, nectar. Color, iridescent black with puffy white leg feathers. Status, critically endangered behavior, elusive and hard to spot. Interesting fact, known for its puffy legs that look like white boots. 6. Wine-throated hummingbird length, 7.5 to 8 centimeters. Weight, approximately 2.6 grams. Wingspan, approximately 9 to 10 centimeters. Habitat, highland forests. Location, Guatemala and Honduras. Diet, nectar from flowering plants. Color, males have deep wine-colored throats. Behavior, very territorial. Nesting in shrubs and low trees. Interesting fact, a lesser-known but very vibrant hummingbird. 7. Amethyst woodstar. Length, 7 to 9 centimeters. Weight, 2.5 to 3.5 grams. Wingspan, approximately 11 centimeters. Habitat, forests, savannas. Location, Central and South America. Diet, nectar and insects. Color, males have an amethyst purple throat. Flight, agile and fast behavior, usually solitary. Interesting fact, despite its size, it can migrate long distances. 8. Ruby-throated hummingbird. Length, 7.5 to 9 centimeters. Weight, 2 to 6 grams. Wingspan, 8 to 11 centimeters. Habitat, gardens, woodlands, meadows. Location, Eastern North America. Diet, nectar, small insects. Color, males have brilliant red throats. Migration, flies across the Gulf of Mexico nonstop. Nesting in trees using spider silk. Interesting fact, one of the most common North American hummingbirds. 9. Short-tailed pygmy. Tyrant length, about 6.5 centimeters. Weight, around 4 grams. Wingspan, 9 to 10 centimeters. Habitat, rainforests. Location, Amazon basin, Brazil, Peru, Colombia. Diet, tiny insects. Color, olive greenish upper parts. Family, tyrant flycatchers. Nesting, unknown due to secretive habits. Interesting fact, smallest perching bird, passerine. 10. Goldcrest. Length 8.5 to 9.5 centimeters. Weight 4.5 to 7 grams. Wingspan 13.5 to 15.5 centimeters. Habitat: coniferous forests. Location: Europe, parts of Asia. Diet: insects and spiders. Color: olive green with bright yellow-orange crown. Behavior: very active, always flitting about nesting. Makes hanging nests in conifers. Interesting fact: smallest bird in Europe,